Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. Here on this channel we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful tools for working boy, share crypto flashing update method and much more. Kindly join my Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more updates, and also subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will receive updates whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I want to teach you how you can flash BTC on your Binance wallet. It also works on Trust Wallet and Get.io wallet. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you go to your Play Store. You will need this OKS app. Stand this green OKS. So that was we're needing. OKS wallet, this green one, you download it. So once you download it, then we create an account on the OKS. So let me open it. You create a wallet. So once you create a wallet, you come to your interface like this. So once you get to this interface, you will deposit minimum of $1 BNB. Hope you understand what I'm saying. You deposit minimum of $1 BNB. To deposit is very easy. Just click on receive, then click on the BNB option, then deposit your BNB. So once you deposit BNB, you come to this DEX, this down button here. You click on it, then let's swap. You are swapping from BNB. Stand. So you choose here as BNB Smart Chain. Then you paste contract address here. There's a BTC contract address that I will paste. So if you need the contract address, you DM. So I'll be swapping 0.01. Let me see. I don't want to swap much. Okay, it's too much. Let me see. Okay, let's swap 31 BTC. This 31 BTC. This is not dollar. This is 31 BTC. No one BTC is equivalent to if you check BTC rate, go and check the dollar rate like that. So this one is 31 BTC. Imagine, see the BNB that is giving you 31 BTC. So let's just swap. Let's see. So confirm. Then I will swap. Once I swap, done. So I will swap. So the next thing to do is to go to my Binance. So I head over to the Binance wallet to stand. So if you are flashing on your Binance, make sure you are using Binance wallet. We have exchange and we have Binance wallet. So this is the wallet section you use to flash. So once you are on your Binance, click on assets. So you choose on receive via address. So in this place, you are copy the BNB wallet address. So copy BNB wallet address because the BTC is on BNB Smart Chain. So you can copy the BNB wallet address and it will also reflect here as BTC stand because the BTC is on BNB Smart Chain. So let's go to our OKS and click on send. So once you click on send, we use the contract address again. This is the contract address. Then you click on the BTC. Then we'll paste the wallet address. Contract address and wallet address is different. So and we'll paste the wallet address, the BTC wallet, the BNB wallet address we copied on Binance. We'll paste it. Then click on confirm. So in this interface here, let's send out 20 BTC. Then confirm it. So let's confirm. So I've sent 20 BTC to my Binance. So let's check if it has reflected. You scroll, then go to your Binance, then boom, you can see it now. You can see the 20 BTC is already sitting and it's showing perfectly on my Binance. Can see it. So this is how you can get your BTC, how you can send BTC on Binance. And if you want to send it to your client, let's create another wallet. So let's create another wallet and do this. Let's add. So let me add. So I've added another wallet. So I'll click on the wallet folder I added. Okay, it's already there. So I'll go back. So I have zero balance. So I'll just click on the BNB. I'll click on receive as usual. So because the BTC is on BNB's machine, I told you guys earlier. So just copy BNB wallet address so that it will be easy. Then you go to the wallet tree. I'll click on send. So click send to wallet address. I'll pick the BTC because that is what I'm sending. I will paste the wallet address I copied in wallet 4 I created. Continue. Then yeah, let's send like 1 BTC. See, 1 BTC is $64,000. So click on continue. So in this place now, they say I need BNB. Then I need BNB to transfer. So I can't transfer I can't transfer grab. So that is how you can do it. So once you deposit BNB on your Binance, you'll be able to send it out. Just deposit minimum of BNB of small dollar as the fee so that you'll be able to send out. So that is how you can send the BTC out. It's very easy. So you don't want to use Binance to Binance, you can send from OKS. It's better you send from OKS so that if you are swapping, it will be easy. Then you can send out to the Binance. So if you like this video so far, kindly like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my update whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.